Creating and opening documents. When you start Word application, a new document automatically opens along with the application. To create a new blank document. 1. Click the File tab. This takes you to Backstage View. 2. Select New. 3. Select Blank Document under Available Templates. It will be highlighted by default. 4. Click Create. A new blank document loads in the Word window. To open an existing document. 1. Click the File tab. This takes you to Backstage View. 2. Select Open. The Open dialog box appears. 3. Select your document and click Open. If you opened a file recently, you can also access it from Recent Documents list. Just click on the File tab and select Recent. Compatibility mode. Sometimes you may need to work with documents that were created in earlier versions of Microsoft Word, such as Word 2007 or Word 2003. When you open these kinds of documents, they will appear in compatibility mode. Compatibility mode disables certain features, so you'll only be able to access commands found in the program used to create the document. For example, if you open a document created in Word 2007, you can only use tabs and commands found in Word 2007. In the image below, you can see how compatibility mode can affect which commands are available. Since the document on the left is in compatibility mode, it only shows commands that were available in Word 2007. In order to exit compatibility mode, you'll need to convert the document to the current version type. However, if you're collaborating with others who only have access to an earlier version of Word, it's best to leave the document in compatibility mode so the format will not change. To convert a document. If you want access to all of the Word 2010 features, you can convert the document to the 2010 file format. Note that converting a file may cause some changes to the original layout of the document. 1. Click the File tab to access Backstage View. 2. Locate and select Convert command. 3. A dialog box will appear. Click OK to confirm the file upgrade. 4. The document will be converted to the newest file type.